I want to move on to the next speaker. Please welcome Zamina Ahmad.
Products and value for everyone. Today, I want you to change the way you look at products and how you develop products. Who knows Moya? Please give me a hand sign. Who is really able to use the service? So what do you need? Legs? Exactly. You need a smartphone, you need a digital payment function, you need to be able to walk, you have to be able to see, and you have to be able to hear. Who really needs a mobility solution? Everyone, yeah. Another example. Imagine you sit in a bar and you want to show a funny video to your friend. It's very loud and the friend cannot listen to the video. What do? You use subtitles. We are in many situations where we are limited in our hearing abilities. Last example. A person with white skin color is trying to get soap. It's working perfectly. You see a person with dark skin color and the soap dispenser is not working. This is the worst case scenario of product development. It's repeating human discrimination and a total fail on the market. There are tons of these examples where we have algorithms discriminating people, not recognizing people. We have to think about why does it still happen. When we start with product development, we design for stereotypes. When I say disability, we think about a person sitting in a wheelchair. Is the data really representative enough? Is it working for people with different skin colors? They did not check it. And then on the market, fail. This is a bias we have. What can we do better? I want to design for as many people as possible who wants to use the service. Why should we care? Why should we do something like that? We are creating the digital future. It lies in our hand who can participate on this future and who not. You can approach for more people. It means, of course, also more revenue. What can we really do differently? There are 3 steps where we can do something differently today. When we understand our users, when we build the solutions, and when we test the products. Understanding the user diversity means you don't start with personas. You try to ask yourself, who is going to use my product? You try to map all these people and make a bigger picture of all these people. In fashion, there's a lot about representation, and conversion goes up when people find themselves represented. 49% of the players are female. When you look at the roles, the woman is having big boobs and hypersexualized. Diversity is not reflected in the gaming roles. The gaming industry, luckily, already discovered they want to grow in the female market and in the diverse market, and now they are creating different roles to reflect their users. Can you provide a language switch on your shop, on your website? Find out which language they really speak. Don't think about disabilities. Think about in which situation will your app, your website be used. So if you have a product and you optimize it too much for this niche group, start to test it with the diversity of users. That's it. 3 things you can change in product development to be more diverse and to include more customers. I recommend to identify gaps. It could be the case that this bounce rate, this weakness is maybe very high in a specific group. If you want to grow, look at the market and ask yourself, why are specific groups going to my competition? If you want to remember one thing, you just need to start and do something. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you so much, Zamina. You were actually quicker than we had anticipated. I want to jump right over to our next speaker. Please welcome Michael Schieben.